You are making one of the most expensive decisions for your car every single time you stop at a gas station, and chances are you don't even realize it. Most drivers think gasoline is gasoline, and the cheapest pump is always the smartest choice. But after years of working on engines, I've learned that's one of the biggest myths in the automotive world. I've seen engines that should have lasted 300,000 to 500,000 miles fail before reaching 100,000 miles, while others with well over 250,000 miles still looked almost brand new inside. The difference wasn't luck, and it wasn't always about oil changes. In many cases, it came down to one simple habit: choosing the right fuel. Today, we're counting down 7 gas station brands that can actually help protect your engine, reduce carbon buildup, and save you thousands of dollars in repairs. If you want your vehicle to last as long as possible, stay with me until the end, because the number one brand is the one I'd personally trust in my own vehicle. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly understand why fuel quality matters so much. Every time your engine burns gasoline, tiny carbon deposits are left behind. That's completely normal. Over time, those deposits begin collecting on intake valves, fuel injectors, pistons, and other important engine parts. As the buildup grows, fuel injectors stop spraying a fine mist and begin spraying uneven streams. Valves may not seal properly, combustion becomes less efficient, fuel economy drops, power decreases, and rough idling starts to appear. Eventually, those small deposits can lead to expensive repairs. The Environmental Protection Agency requires all gasoline sold in the United States to contain detergent additives. The problem is that the minimum requirement is just enough to meet regulations. Many automakers, including BMW, General Motors, Toyota, Honda, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Stellantis, and Volkswagen, believed that wasn't enough to properly protect modern engines. That's why they helped create the top-tier gasoline standard. Top-tier fuel contains significantly more detergent additives than the EPA minimum, helping keep engines cleaner over time. Every fuel brand on today's list meets this higher standard, making them far better choices than many generic discount stations. Starting at number 7 is Phillips 66. This brand often flies under the radar, but it's one of the most dependable top-tier gasoline providers in the country. Phillips 66 uses a detergent package designed to help prevent harmful carbon deposits from forming inside fuel injectors and intake systems. Many drivers overlook it simply because it's not always advertised as heavily as some larger competitors. However, mechanics have consistently found that engines regularly fueled with Phillips 66 often show cleaner injectors and smoother idle performance. If you have one nearby, it's definitely a fuel brand worth trusting. At number 6 is Sinclair with DynoCare. Many people recognize Sinclair because of its famous green dinosaur logo and assume it's an old-fashioned gas station built for older vehicles. That couldn't be further from the truth. Sinclair has quietly become one of the better fuel providers for modern engines, especially those with direct fuel injection. Their DynoCare fuel formula is specifically designed to help reduce intake valve deposits while keeping fuel injectors clean. In traditional port-injected engines, gasoline washes over the intake valves before entering the combustion chamber. Strong detergent additives help remove carbon during that process. If the detergent package is weak, deposits continue building layer after layer. One example that really stands out involved a Ford F-150 farm truck with more than 230,000 miles on the odometer. During a timing chain replacement, the intake manifold had to come off. Normally, an engine with that kind of mileage would show thick carbon deposits throughout the intake runners. Instead, the engine looked surprisingly clean. The injector ports were clear, combustion patterns looked even, and there was very little buildup anywhere inside. While regular maintenance certainly helped, consistently using quality fuel played a major role as well. Number 5 belongs to BP with Invigorate. BP has spent years improving both its fuel technology and its reputation. Today, its Invigorate additive package is one of the stronger detergent systems available. Modern fuel injectors operate at extremely high pressures, often reaching thousands of pounds per square inch. The tiny openings inside those injectors are incredibly small, meaning even microscopic carbon deposits can affect the spray pattern. Instead of producing a fine fuel mist, clogged injectors begin spraying uneven streams. That causes incomplete combustion, reduced fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, and sometimes even check engine lights. BP's Invigorate formula focuses heavily on cleaning those injectors before deposits become severe. Many drivers report smoother acceleration and steadier idle quality after consistently using BP fuel. One memorable example involved a turbocharged Audi suffering from repeated misfire codes. The dealership recommended an expensive valve cleaning service costing nearly $1,000. Before authorizing the repair, the owner switched to several tanks of BP Ultimate fuel. After about a month, the misfire counts had dropped dramatically and the check engine light disappeared. The fuel didn't repair broken mechanical components, but it successfully cleaned enough carbon deposits to restore proper operation. Speaking of fuel quality, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed your vehicle running noticeably better or worse after filling up at a certain gas station? Maybe your engine felt smoother, or maybe it seemed sluggish afterward. Share your experience in the comments because real-world stories are always interesting to compare. Coming in at number 4 is Costco Gasoline, a brand that surprises many drivers. Despite its discount reputation, Costco offers high-quality, top-tier certified fuel with a strong detergent package that helps keep engines cleaner. Another major advantage is fuel freshness. Because Costco stations have extremely high customer traffic, their fuel inventory turns over quickly, reducing the chance of old or moisture-contaminated gasoline. One Toyota 4Runner owner with over 315,000 miles used Costco for nearly 90% of his fill-ups, and the engine remained impressively clean. Quality fuel combined with regular maintenance can make a huge difference. Number 3 is ExxonMobil Synergy, known for its advanced fuel technology. Synergy combines powerful detergents with friction-reducing additives that help protect critical engine parts. Fleet vehicles, which face heavy use and constant idling, have shown cleaner spark plugs and combustion chambers when using ExxonMobil fuel. Its strict quality control also ensures consistent fuel quality across the country, allowing modern engines to run more efficiently, maintain better performance, and reduce harmful deposits over time. At number 2 is Chevron with Techron, a favorite among many experienced mechanics. Its advanced detergent technology helps remove stubborn carbon deposits while preventing new buildup. Unlike basic additives, Techron can gradually clean deposits that have collected over thousands of miles, helping restore smoother engine performance. Many mechanics recommend Chevron before expensive repairs because dirty injectors can often create problems that feel like mechanical failures. In one Chevrolet V8 with over 150,000 miles, regular Chevron use resulted in remarkably clean valves and minimal carbon buildup. It may cost slightly more, but it can save hundreds on fuel system repairs. Before revealing the number 1 fuel brand, let me know how many miles are on your current vehicle. Is it practically brand new, or are you proudly driving a high mileage machine that's still going strong? I'd love to hear how many miles you've managed to put on your car. And finally, the number 1 fuel brand is Shell V-Power Nitro Plus. If I had to choose one fuel for both daily driving and performance vehicles, this would be my top pick. Shell has spent decades improving its fuel technology, focusing on 3 things: cleaning deposits, reducing friction, and preventing corrosion. Its advanced detergents help remove carbon buildup, protect fuel system parts, and keep engines running smoothly. One Lexus S350 owner who used Shell V-Power for nearly 200,000 miles had engine compression numbers almost identical to factory specs, with surprisingly clean piston tops and combustion chambers. It shows how much quality fuel can impact long-term engine health. At the end of the day, spending a few extra dollars on quality gasoline is far cheaper than paying for costly engine repairs later. The 7 brands we covered, Phillips 66, Sinclair, BP, Costco, ExxonMobil, Chevron, and Shell, all meet the top-tier standard and provide better protection than basic fuel. While good gas can't replace regular maintenance, it works alongside oil changes and proper servicing to help your engine last longer. So next time you fill up, think beyond the price on the pump. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive tips.